Ukraine reports successful Atacms strikes on Russian air defenses in occupied Crimea. An S-400 system, 2 S-300 systems, and 4 radars were hit with at least 10 Atacms missiles across the peninsula. None of the Atacms were intercepted by Russia. And the Ukrainian General Staff reports that the Ukrainian Armed Forces destroyed S-400 air defense system in Jankoy area and 2 S-300 divisions near Chornomorsky and Yevpatoria. The demilitarization of Crimea is accelerating. Russian air defense soldiers have been ordered to evacuate their families from Crimea to the Russian southern military district, Atacms military movement reports. According to their information, air defense systems are also moved from Crimea to Belgorod region of Russia. And all this is happening parallel with the approaching of the F-16 for Ukraine. The forecast for Crimea is extremely hot summer. The reserves of the Russian army will not be enough to carry out large-scale offensives in several directions, concludes the Institute for the Study of War. It should be noted that Russia mobilizes more than 30,000 recruits every month, but this is only enough to make up for losses, as the number of losses is very high. These reserves will not be enough to conduct major offensive operations, let alone several directions. Therefore, if the Russian Federation plans an offensive in the summer, it will be limited in only one direction. And in Chasiv Yar, after the Russian progress being halted for a while, they have now started making gains. This video shows assault companies of the 98th Airborne Division raising a flag in Chasiv Yar micro-district. The use of VDV could explain the increase in progress. In the occupied part of the Luhansk region, a grandmother gave the Russians pies with pushpins inside to kill or injure them. Unfortunately, they noticed this when they started eating. But occupiers are always on alert, simply because they are occupiers. An M113 armored personnel carrier picks up a group of border guards from the Eshek Val Rapid Reaction Unit during the battle for Vovchansk-Kharkiv region. More and more Russians are recruiting mercenaries from African countries. For example, here is another filmed tourist. I am 99% sure that this video will not be seen by these mercenaries. But I want to tell you that a 155mm shell or a drone does not care whether it kills an African, a Russian, or a Nepali. Believe me, the money you earn is not worth dying thousands of kilometers from your home. The defenders struck the position of Russian UAV operators in occupied Oleshki on the left bank of the Kherson region. Also, units of the 63rd Mechanized Brigade destroyed a high valuable TOS-1A flamethrower MLRS. A mine explosion of a Russian Scooby-Doo van with Russians inside.
Вова, вылази! Вова, вылази! Вова! Сука, бля! Через эту дверь! Давай, давай! Сука!
During the rain in Rostov-on-Don, Russia, the asphalt surface was washed away. Have you imagined the quality of roads in Russia? And dictator Putin spends all money on war. This is what Georgia's main highway built by Chinese companies looks like now, the Great Waterfall. Quality and safety issues were reported numerous times and ignored by Georgian government. Now government plans to grant similar shady companies a tender to build strategic seaport of Anaklia. There's no guilt. In an episode from a Russian documentary about the First Chechnya War, Russian soldiers loot anything they can from the homes of Chechens. They cook using their groceries and complain that other soldiers steal what they looted.
О, конкретно. Да, хороший был телевизор.
Когда-то.
Мне он показывает.
Показывает.
Чеченскую программу. Можно посмотреть.
Неплохая такая-то самая жилетка у тебя неплохая. А где пиджак твой?
Вместо часов.
Так вместо часов, да? Грамотно.
Пожрать ковры, одеяло. Вот это, что наиболее можно использовать в быту, вот, на войне там солдат. Вот они все это дело выносятся из домов, быстренько, значит, приватизируется, так сказать. Если выражаясь так современной терминологией. Дело в том, что оно там носило массовый характер, то есть от рядового до командования. И какое-то чувство вины там вот не испытываешь там.
Пойти колеса подыскать.
Это называется конституционный порядок, да? Вот кто мою кастрюлю украл, я только что положил на танк и уже украли. Беспредел. Сюда положил, уже украли.
Нормально.
Это что, манты делаем, ребятишки, да? После боя, да?
Да.
Из чеченских запасов?
Я
воль. Я воль.
Я воль.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.